Imagine biting into a juicy strawberry, still warm from the sun. The burst of flavor, the sweetness, and the slight tang all come together in a perfect symphony of taste. Or savoring the sweetness of a perfectly ripe mango in the heat of summer. The juice drips down your fingers, and the tropical aroma fills the air, making each bite a moment to remember. This is the joy of seasonal eating, a way to connect with nature's rhythms and experience the true flavors of each season. It's about more than just food, it's about embracing the cycles of the earth and the bounty it provides. Around the world, different cultures have celebrated seasonal eating for centuries. These traditions are a testament to the deep connection between people and the land, a relationship that has been nurtured over generations. From the first harvest festivals to the simple act of enjoying local specialties, food has always been a way to connect with the land and its bounty. These celebrations are not just about sustenance, but about community, heritage, and gratitude. Whether you're in the Mediterranean, savoring the bright flavors of sun-ripened tomatoes, bursting with freshness and a hint of the sea breeze, or in Southeast Asia, enjoying the delicate sweetness of lychees, with their floral notes and juicy texture, every region has its own unique seasonal treasures to discover. These treasures tell the story of the land, the climate, and the people who cultivate them. Seasonal eating is about more than just taste. It's about connecting with the source of our food and understanding the journey it takes from farm to table. It's a way to nourish our bodies, support local communities, and protect our planet. By choosing seasonal produce, we reduce our carbon footprint and promote sustainable farming practices. It's a delicious and rewarding way to live in harmony with the natural world. Embracing seasonal eating allows us to savor the freshest flavors, celebrate cultural traditions, and contribute to a healthier planet. Seasonal eating simply means choosing foods that are naturally in season where you live. It means enjoying strawberries in spring, tomatoes in summer, pumpkins in fall, and citrus fruits in winter. Why is this important? When fruits and vegetables are allowed to ripen fully on the vine, they develop their most intense flavors and nutritional value. In contrast, produce that is shipped long distances is often picked before it's ripe and treated with preservatives, which can diminish its flavor and nutrient content. By choosing seasonal foods, we support a more sustainable food system that prioritizes freshness, flavor, and environmental responsibility. Have you ever noticed how much better a tomato tastes in the summer when it's in season? That's because fruits and vegetables are at their peak flavor and nutritional value when they're allowed to ripen naturally. Studies have shown that produce loses nutrients over time, especially when it's stored for long periods or transported over long distances. Eating seasonally means enjoying produce at its peak freshness, when it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This can have a positive impact on our health and well-being. By choosing seasonal foods, we're not just treating our taste buds, we're nourishing our bodies with the best that nature has to offer. Every time we choose a locally grown apple over one shipped from across the globe, we're making a difference. This simple act supports our local farmers, strengthens our community, and ensures that we are consuming fresher, more nutritious produce. Seasonal eating is inherently connected to supporting local farmers and reducing our environmental impact. When we eat what's in season, we are not only enjoying the best flavors, but also reducing the need for long-distance transportation and storage. Food miles, the distance our food travels from farm to plate, have a significant carbon footprint. The longer the journey, the more fuel is consumed, leading to higher greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing locally grown produce, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and support a more sustainable food system. This choice helps to preserve our environment for future generations and promotes biodiversity. Furthermore, seasonal eating encourages us to be more mindful of where our food comes from and the resources required to produce it. It fosters a deeper connection to the land and the people who cultivate it. It's a powerful reminder that our food choices have global consequences and that even small changes can make a big difference. By making conscious decisions, we contribute to a healthier planet and a more resilient food system. Section 5. Supporting communities, one bite at a time. When we support local farmers, we're not just investing in fresh, delicious food, we're investing in the well-being of our communities. Farmers markets are a great way to connect with the people who grow our food, learn about their farming practices, and support their livelihoods. By choosing to spend our food dollars locally, we help keep small farms in business, preserve farmland, and strengthen our local economies. Seasonal eating becomes a delicious way to build community, support local businesses, and create a more resilient and equitable food system. Section 6. From Market to Table. Tips for seasonal eating. Ready to embrace the joys of seasonal eating? Here are a few simple tips to get you started. Visit your local farmers market. There's no better way to connect with the seasons than by browsing the stalls overflowing with fresh local produce. Get to know your farmers. Ask questions about their growing practices, try new varieties, and get inspired for your next meal. Sign up for a CSA or community-supported agriculture program. This is a great way to receive a regular supply of fresh, seasonal produce directly from a local farm. Section 7. Growing your own, a rewarding experience. One of the most rewarding ways to eat seasonally is to grow some of your own food. Even if you don't have a lot of space, you can grow herbs in pots on a windowsill, tomatoes in containers on a balcony, or salad greens in a raised bed. Gardening connects us to the rhythms of nature, teaches us valuable lessons about food production, and provides us with the freshest, most flavorful ingredients imaginable. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own sun-ripened tomatoes or picking a handful of fresh basil for your pasta sauce. Section 8. A world of flavors awaits. In this chapter, we embark on a culinary adventure that spans the globe, exploring the rich tapestry of flavors that each season brings. Seasonal eating is an invitation to slow down, savor the flavors of each season, and appreciate the bounty that nature provides. It's about connecting with the earth and understanding the rhythm of the seasons. It's a journey of discovery, a celebration of culinary traditions, and a commitment to a healthier and more sustainable future. By embracing seasonal ingredients, we not only enhance our meals, but also support local farmers and reduce our carbon footprint. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just beginning to explore the world of seasonal cooking, there's always something new to discover. From vibrant spring salads to hearty winter stews, the possibilities are endless. Each season offers a unique palette of flavors and textures to experiment with. So let's raise a glass to the joy of seasonal eating. Let's celebrate the diversity of flavors that each season brings to our tables and the joy of sharing these meals with loved ones. May your plates be filled with the freshest, most flavorful, and sustainably sourced ingredients. Let each meal be a testament to the beauty and abundance of nature. What are your favorite seasonal dishes? Do you have a cherished recipe that you look forward to making each year? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your culinary adventures. And be sure to subscribe for more inspiration on healthy, sustainable living. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips, recipes, and stories that celebrate the joy of seasonal eating.